The Manipur Police on April 1st arrested one active cadre of proscribed outfit KCP, Taibanganba, identified as Loitongbam Boyai Singh, 43 years, from Thoubal district. As per reports, the cadre was involved in extortion activities in general area of Yaripok Nongpok Sepmai. Upon further search operation, 1 pistol, 10 live ammunitions, 1 hand grenade with 1 detonator, 1 bag containing Rs 3,000, 1 mobile phone and 1 Bolero vehicle was seized. A case has been registered against the case for further investigation. In continued search operations along with Naka checkings, a total of 129 Nakas or checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 343 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state on April 1st.